Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Vigo County, Northeastern Sullivan County, Clay County, Southwestern Owen County, Southeastern Parke County, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bridgeton, or 12 miles northeast of Terre Haute, moving south at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Terre Haute, Bridgeton, Jasonville, Seelyville, Knightsville, Clay City, Hymera, Rosedale, Harmony, Staunton, Carbon, Center Point, Riley, Fontanet, Coal City, Bowling Green, Patricksburg, Bridgeton, Coalmont, and Cory. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 11 and 29. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Clay, Owen, Parke, Sullivan, and Vigo.